चलो Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to all of you guys. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So just confirm this once whether I'm properly audible to everybody. Just confirm this once whether I'm properly audible to everyone. Achha. One thing I wanted to show you guys is this thing, sir. That I'm talking about. Reena, very good evening. Very good evening. So again, in our courses section, in our website, I'm just showing you like the entire thing. You see, there we have launched something called SSC Super Practice, right? This is for whom? This is for our super elite candidates, super elite subscribers. So this is what you are getting. This is the new offering as a part of the super elite package. Like nothing to, you don't need to buy it separately, right? So here you will have 1,000+ tests along with the 6 different level of QREs. Okay, I'll explain that. Speed improvement tests, and this covers both tier 1 as well as tier 2. So just to give you an idea, so I was like saying this, say for example, you want to do something around remainder theorem. So this like the whole quant syllabus is divided into all topics, different topics. And you see like the division is very minute. It's not like number system in a whole thing. So it's, you see, only from number system you'll find, say, basics of number system, decimal fraction, factors, multiples, HCF, LCM, divisibility, remainder theorem, unit digits, surds, indices. So everything is different. You have got, say for example, here, under every topic, you'll get 3 levels of QREs. So level 1, 2, and 3. And you have PYPs, the past year papers, then the most repetitive type of questions, some speed improvement test, and last but not the least is revision tests. So this is, apart from what mock tests you are getting, this is something extra that you will be getting from our end for this particular thing, that is super practice. This is like kind of made for like keeping your needs in mind, so that you can have a very good practice when needed, like just before the exams. So the CHSL notification has also come. So again, it's time to buckle up, right? Chalo, without further delay, then start with our class for today. That is profit and loss. So again, we have done, last week we have done part 1 of this. So this is your part 2, sir. So mostly I've taken a few discount questions, some good quality questions of PY, like good quality PYPs, and the most probable questions, repeated type, from your profit loss chapter. So without any delay, let us just start with this. Let us just start from this. Sir, let's start from this question. Question number 28. This is where we had completed, we have finished in the last class. So we will start from there only. So again, everyone, so I'll give you guys a few seconds to start thinking about this, then we'll solve it together. So 40 seconds let's take. You should be able to solve it within 40 seconds. Jaldi se, sir. Any answers? Answers, sir? Chal, let's see, sir. How much we can get. Sir, a certain quantity of rice. Arey yaar. In the beginning, only today we had the problem. Sir, certain quantity of rice bought for this much and sold for this much. CP and SP. It's okay. Thereby earning a profit of 25%, sir. Perfect, sir. Now, had the cost CP been 20% less and the SPB 58 rupees less, the profit 20% would have been a profit of 20% would have been earned. So they are asking the value of X. So Reena is saying 200. Let's see, Reena. Let's see, sir. So let's understand, sir. CP and SP. Keep, like, do not engage your mind in unnecessary things. Whatever we need, we'll only do that much. Sir, 100 rupees CP, so 25% profit means it will be, sir, 125 rupees. And this is X, this is Y, this is what they have given. Okay? Now what happened? If the CP been 20% less, so X ko I'm taking 100A so that I can, Y is 125A. Now you'll say, sir, why are you suddenly taking A? Because you see, there is a value given here. So I cannot just go with hundreds. I have to mention some variable. Now, what happens, sir? 20% less means it would have been, sir, 80. 20% less, 80%. Now, what would have been the SP, sir? It is 58 rupees less. See, I'm doing it absolutely in layman terms. So this is minus 58, sir. They are saying this profit is 20%, sir. This is a 20% profit. Now, what does it mean? So 20% means 1/5. That's very simply means 80. What will be 20% profit on top of a CP of 80? So you will say, sir, 20% आप calculate कर लो. That means 6 by 5 times. So that is actually SP that is given. So 20% more means 120%. That is the reason I've written 6 by 5. That is equal to this 125A minus 58, sir. Done, sir. Calculate, sir. This is 16. So 16 6 are 96. उधर से कर दो, sir. 29A comes out to be 58. Sir, A is 2. Now you will ask, sir, what they are asking? They are asking you the value of X. X is equal to 100A. So A is 2. That means the value of X is 200 rupees. So X is option number 1, 200, sir. Very simple question. Sashi, yes, 200 is the correct answer. You see, very simple. Not a lot of things to do. Couple of lines here and there. That's all. That's all, sir. Again, a very good quality questions. Again, all the questions today are of a little bit higher level. Not very much, but again, thoda thoda. Sir, please do this. Please do this, sir. So this is the next question. Again, anywhere you get stuck, you ask me, sir. I didn't understand this. I'll repeat. I will repeat. Chalo, everyone. जल्दी से बनाओ सर. Done, 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 done. Everyone, is it done? No answers yet. Chal. A man could not decide between the discount of 30% or two successive discounts of 25 and 5, both given on shopping of 2000 rupees. Now the difference between both the discounts. Sir, kya hai? Arghamita is saying 25 rupees. Let's see. Let's see, sir. Sir, two successive discounts of 5% and 25%. What is the net equivalent discount, sir? Sir, two successive discount is two discounts addition minus 25 into 5 by 100. A plus B minus AB by 100. Some pure and old AB theorem. Sir, you calculate this, sir. 5 20s are this. This is 4, this is 5. Sir, don't do anything else. Now they are not asking you anything. They are asking, bhai, what is the difference between this one discount of 30% and another discount of this? So you see, this is 30. So if you take this 30 minus this, you see this 30 cancels. So we will be having actually this minus ये plus बनना चाहिए. So it will be 5 by 4%, 1.25% you can say also if you want. So this is discount. Now in terms of percentage, now MP or discount is getting like discount always gets like calculated on what? It always gets calculated on MP. MP देखो दिया है sir. So what will be the value? 2000 ka sir 5 by 4%. Percentage means sir by 400. 0000. 4 fives are this. 5 fives are 25 rupees. Calculation done. So again option number 4. And also remember here, if the you see the addition 25 and 5, the addition is equal to the single discount 30. So single discount is always worthy. It is always kind of better from a customer's point of view. If I'm the one buying things, I will always opt for this single discount. When the sum, you see this is 30 and 25 plus 5, both like addition also gives you 30. So I'll go with that. Perfect. Chalo. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Arghamita, good evening. Arey, no worries, no worries. Chalo, we have only done a couple of questions. आज थोड़ा मैं जल्दी चले जाऊंगा, but still चलो, no worries. And again, a small little request: if you're liking the session, please do hit that like. ठीक है, ये questions we pick out these questions after a lot of work, typeset and stuff. So एक like तो बनता है. Solve this, sir. Any answers? Any answers, sir? Any answers? कोई आंसर सर? Not one. अभी तक नहीं मिला सर. अभी तक नहीं मिला सर. Need answers. At least couple of answers. Argamita, Reena, Sashi, and everybody else. Answers. Chal, let's do it. Sir, a store declares a scheme. Buy one. अरे यार, same problem. A timer has some issue. This timer has some issue. जब भी timer लगाओ कुछ ना कुछ कर. Sir, buy one and get 60% off on the another shampoo of the same quantity. Like it's actually the identical bottle of shampoo. Okay. What is the profit percentage if each shampoo bottle has a CP 60% below the MP, sir? Now 60% below MP means my base is MP. So let's start with that. Sir, I'm taking, and you see there is no value declared, sir, this much rupees or something. Everything is in percentage. Answer also they are asking you in percentage. So I don't need any variable. I can simply say, sir, every bottle shampoo, sorry, ये ले लिया मैंने, sorry. MP is 100 rupees. So CP will be how much, sir? CP of this bottle will be how much, sir? You will say CP is 60% below this. 60% below means 40%, that is 40 rupees. Correct? Now what the store declaring? Acha, I got answers. 75, 75, 75. Let's see. Very good. Chalo. Now the store is declaring कि भाई देखो, buy one bottle of shampoo. Again, that doesn't mean buy for 40. Buy you have to do for 100. So you give us 100 rupees, we will give you a bottle of shampoo. Plus, next bottle of shampoo, I will give 60% off. So next bottle is also costing, it should cost 100 rupees. But again, you will get 60% discount on the second bottle. Meaning you only need to pay 40%. You only need to pay one like this 100, and for the second bottle you will get it for 40 rupees. Correct? So this is the selling price. Now I need profit, like they're asking what? They're asking profit percentage. So CP I need, CP I have already. So this is the CP for every bottle of shampoo. How many I have sold in this price? I have sold 2. So 2 into 40, sir. SP minus CP by, sir, always CP. CP kar do. Percentage, profit percentage, for percentage you multiply 100. That is your answer, sir. थोड़ा calculate कर लो. This is 140 minus 80. So it will be, sir, 60 by 80. 6 by 8 into 100. Or rather it is 3/4. Sir, 3/4 you already know. You all know 75% होता है. So your answers were absolutely correct. Option number 3, 75% is the correct answer. The shopkeeper is very clever. It's not about the shopkeeper, Argamita. You go into most of the malls. अभी Reliance वगैरह के malls है ना. So there you will find these type of schemes. Very, very, like this is a very realistic problem. आप कोई भी convenient store वगैरह में जाओ, in some brand वगैरह, you will get these offers. ऐसे ही offers. And you see, this is the mathematics behind this actually. Because you understand, no store is selling items in a loss. Profit तो है. So this, like profit, they generate like this. They actually generate like this. And again, it's a beautiful question. चलो sir, give me the answer to this question. Please give me the answer to this question. 1 minute का time, जल्दी से बनाओ. जल्दी से बनाओ sir. Everyone, go for it. Answers I've got. Immortal is saying 5600, Reena 111. Acha. So everybody is saying 1. So I got 4 answers. Very good. Chalo, आगे बढ़े. Discount of 27% on a certain bill. And the difference between two discounts of this was this. This is a very, very, very repeated type question. बहुत पूछा जाता है सर CGL. CGL, CHSL, everywhere. Sir, figure out the net effective discount. What is that? A plus B minus A into B by 100. You see, this is 2. So this is 28%. Sorry, 28%. Yes, sir. Meaning, in simple terms, they are saying 28% discount and 27% discount. The difference is of 1%. 1% ka value is given, sir, as the difference is in terms of money, it is 56 rupees. Sir, amount of bill meaning 100%, sir. ये तो कोई बच्चा भी कर देगा. 5600 rupees. Done. Option number 1 is the correct answer. So it's all about approaches. If you know how to approach, it's a use 10 second ka question. It is actually a 10 second. Moving on, sir. Sir, please solve this. 40 seconds, not more than that. 10 उतना भी नहीं चाहिए actually. उतना भी नहीं चाहिए actually, sir. Need answers, 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 answers. Arkamete, your answer is correct. Explanation is also correct. Chalo. Reena has given answer first. She's saying 2, 13.33. Let's see, sir. Sir, तीनों ही चीज है इधर. CP of MP and gain percentage means I need SP as well. So there is a shortcut formula 100 minus 100 plus, but again I'm not getting into that. नहीं चाहिए actually, sir. You do not actually need it. So why we get into this? So CP is 75% of SP. So if MP is 4, this is 3, sir. Acha, I told SP no, MP. So 75% means 3/4, sir. इसका मतलब होता है 3/4. If you want 175, that also works, no worries. Now, there is a discount of 15%. Sir, percentage दिख रहा है ना, sir? Let's do one thing. Let us do one thing. Sir, let's take these as 30 and 40. Why? Because I don't want to like involve any kind of like say decimal. So 15% of 40, it is very simple to calculate. That is 6 rupees. 15 fours are 60. You see, 15%, 15 by 100 into 40. ये देखो बहुत simple way होता है. So 4 twos are this is 5, this is 3. So instead of doing all this, na, what I'm asking, do it this much only, sir. 15 times 4, 60, that means 6 rupees. 6 rupees is a discount. So 6 rupees is discount. So what is SP? Sir, SP is 34 rupees. Sir, you know SP, you know CP. Can you figure out the profit percentage? देखो एक लाइन का तो काम है. Sir, 4 rupees is that, sir, profit. So 4 rupees out of 30 rupees into 100%. So यही आंसर है. 0 and 0 gone. So this is 40 by 3. 13.33%. So Reena was absolutely correct. He said 2 is the answer. So Arghamita, Sashi, yes, all of you guys were absolutely correct as well. So देखो इसके लिए for this question, why in the world will we like try and remember formulas? ये दो लाइन का question है. Right? So what I'm asking, you don't need formulas if you have a good sound conceptual understanding. You don't need anything. कुछ नहीं चाहिए भाई. चलो. Sir, same type. Very similar type. Again 40 seconds, not more than that. आजा भाई. जल्दी से. Please do it very, very quickly. Very, very quickly. Need answers. Let me have my petrol. By the way, don't have any wrong idea. It's a pure and simple Darjeeling tea. Okay? My cup I need to wash in the basin. I'm using the glass. The colors can be very deceiving. Chalo, answers. 1, 1, 1, 1. Perfect. Chalo, very good. Very, very good. Chalo, देखते. 15% markup है sir. Markup means CP के ऊपर, on top of CP, this much is extra to decide the MP. ठीक है? And allows a discount of this 5%. चलो ठीक है. Profit percentage चाहिए. Sir, again CP, profit percentage तो I need SP and markup है तो I have MP. चलो धीरे धीरे चलते हैं सर. Sir, 100 rupees if I take my CP, 15% markup means 115 rupees. But sir, whenever you calculate 5%, it will give you a decimal. उसका भी काम करते हैं sir. If it is 1000 rupees, it is 1150 rupees. बढ़िया है. Now, discount of 5%. So how much discount? Sir, 5% of this. एक second. 5% में भी तो गड़बड़ होएगा. Sir, double कर दो. Because it's ratio na. So 2300, right? 1150, 2300, sir. And I'm taking my CP as like 2000 rupees. You see, 15% calculation only, nothing. Now 5%, sir, how can you figure out How can you figure out 10%? So 10% is 230. 5% is half of that. So 5% is half of that, means 115, sir. So it is 21. You see, 2300 minus 100 is 2200 minus 15. So 2185 rupees. Sir, you know CP, you know SP. Can you find this? Sir, it is how much? 185 rupees is the profit out of 2000 rupees into, sir, 100 percentage के लिए. Calculate कर लो, sir. 5 fours are this, 5 threes are this, and sir 35 5 sevens are this. So 9.25% is coming out to be the answer. So option 1. So your answers were correct. Very, very good. First product to, yes, I'm a very big fan of tea. Okay, and we teachers, now we faculties, fine. So our job involves a lot of speaking. Na? So I have a very bad habit. I almost have 2 liters of tea a day. So if you see, this is not where I live. This is this is my studio, right? So whenever I come from home, na, I bring a like kind of flask. This is full of tea. जब मैं आया तब से यही टी चल रहा है. I make it. So यही एक चीज मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. It's nothing, no sugar, nothing. It's just a raw tea. पानी उबालो, चाय पत्ती डालो, खत्म. Sir, do this please. Do this please. You see, a question of very, very similar thing, very similar, identical almost. But again, the language makes this a little one step, one level kind of trickier. You see, यही हो सकता है in SSC with you guys as well. 11.5. कौन सा वाला Sashi? I didn't get you. You are talking about the last question, brother. You are talking about the last question. देखते हैं, उसमें जाएंगे. Just let's do this, then I'll again go back. A person marks his goods X% above the CP, allows a discount of this on MP. Profit is 10, then this. Sir, वही profit भी है. So these are the questions related to CP, SP, MP all together. Sir, profit of 10%, meaning if 100 rupees is my CP, 110 rupees is my SP. You will say, sir, then how to get MP? MP कैसे मिलेगा? देखो, using the modular method that we have learned so many times. कैसे? Sir, 110 is the only value I know. Now, there is a discount of 12%. What does it mean? ऐसे सोच सकते हैं, sir, if my MP is 100 rupees, then discount of 12% means SP will be, sir, 88 rupees. So this 110 represents what, sir? This 110 represents SP, because this is SP, sir. So 88 you put in the denominator. On top I need MP. MP was 100, sir. Sir, 11 8s are this, 11 10s are this. ये भी कर ही दो. Sir, you will say, sir, this is 125. देखो, और कुछ नहीं था. क्यों? Sir, what is the value of X? Sir, X का value है, this is markup, sir. Direct CP to MP is called markup. And any bacha will say this is 25%. 100 became 125. Now they are asking the X%, that is 25% is the value of X, and profit percentage was 10%, sir. So difference 25 and 10% is 15%, option number 1. 15%. You see, no rocket science here. Either formula है CP, like you know the ratio between CP and MP, 100 minus discount, 100 plus profit, ऐसे करके there are formulas. But again you tell me now, you need formulas. ये तो है, किया ही तो 2 लाइन, क्यों इसमें formula घुसे रहे? Right? It's a very simple question. Now, what will be the wrong approach? If you start with this, that will be the wrong approach. Ki sir, this is 100, then it will be sir x% more, meaning 100 plus x. So once you like push this x into this, into your solution, you need to make an equation. That will make like this very simple thing a lot trickier. So do not do that. That's the only thing I can say. वो मत करना भाई. Perfect, sir. You see, a good question, very good question, sir. थोड़ा लेंदी है, but again, it's not very difficult. Very simple question actually. Technically, it's a very simple question. Solve this, sir. वही सर CP, SP, MP all together. All together. चलो सर, चलो चलो चलो. Need answers. हमको आंसर्स चाहिए भाई. बताओ बताओ बताओ. MP of these many articles is equal to CP of this. Sir, from here, I can very easily get the ratio of CP ratio MP. कैसे? Sir, normal बैठा दो sir. MP of 85 times MP. MP stands for MP of each article. That is given as equal to CP of 153 articles. Sir, 17 fives are this, 17 nines are this. Sir, CP by MP becomes 5 by 9. Correct? Correct, sir. मिल गया एक चीज. दूसरा, sir, SP of 104 is this. So, 104 of SP is equal to 65 into CP, sir. Correct? 60, it is like the CP of अच्छा एक second. अच्छा MP of this, extremely sorry, not CP, it's MP, sir. Selling price of this was equal to MP of these many articles. Sir, 13 से जाएगा sir, देखो. Right? And this is 13 eighths of this. So SP by MP, rather let's do here MP नीचे है ना, ये इसको ऊपर रखो sir. MP by SP is what, sir? It is 8 divided by 5. You see, I have done very subtle couple of things here. क्या है? The biggest pointer to be noted, that biggest point that you can note from here, sir. They are asking profit percentage, so I don't need home. कि क्या नहीं चाहिए sir? हमको MP नहीं चाहिए. I don't need MP. So I will try and eliminate MP. Keeping that in mind, you see, I did not write SP by MP. Why? Because MP here was in the denominator. Here I'm keeping it in the numerator so that I can multiply simply. You see, I multiply these two equations. You multiply these two equations, what you will get, sir? CP by MP, MP by this. So MP will cancel. So I will directly get CP by SP. And right hand side में क्या मिलेगा सर? ये 5 and ये 5 cancel. Sir, you see directly I got this. That means profit of 1 rupee out of CP of 8. Sir, 1 by 8 का मतलब होता है 12.5%. That's your profit percentage. है क्या? Option, oh, sorry, not this. 12.5% profit, fourth option. Yes, exactly. But Sashi, you see, equate MP में I had to do like couple of lines. तो ये थोड़ा देखो, ये 5 सेकंड बचाएगा, not more than that. But again, like keep these things in mind whenever you are solving. These small little things. देखो बहुत कुछ है नहीं. Small things. With practice, these things will come automatically. You need to practice. Only solving 30, 40, 50 questions here will not be enough. That much I can say. Okay, chalo sir. Next question. So this is a simple question. चलो ना यही करो, ये भी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है सर. लेट्स डू दिस, लेट्स डू दिस, लेट्स डू दिस एवरीवन. चलो जल्दी से इसको बनाते हैं सर, जल्दी से सर इसको बनाते हैं. जल्दी से सर. I have forgotten to give you the timer actually. Please. MP of an article is this. Sold it at a discount of this. That means I can figure out my SP as well. Don't worry. Gain of this. सर CP चाहिए. चलो ऐसे सेम लिखते हैं सर. CP, SP, MP सर. Correct. So if here they want us to start in the opposite direction. MP they have given us. Chalo, no worries. Discount of 19% on this. Discount of 19% on this. How much is discount, sir? How much is discount, sir? Sir, you will say ये बहुत simple है. Sir, 19% of this will be 19 times 8, sir. I'm like, am I correct? So this is 19 because this is 152, right? 152, 19 8, sir. ठीक है ना, गलत तो नहीं किया ना? नो सर, ठीक है. अच्छा सर, 150 less means 650. 152 means 648. That's your SP. Now they are saying what? They are saying, bhai dekho, there is a gain of 8%. Meaning CP, how can I figure out, sir? 648, the known value using the method that I've just talked about, the modular method. So 8% gain means CP agar 100 hua. If CP is 100, SP will be 108. This is what, sir? This is SP. So नीचे आएगा sir SP, ऊपर आएगा sir CP. So कर लो calculation. It's very simply 6 times. So 600 is CP. Now they are asking what? Once more, last step remaining. 600 they have marked up to 800. They are asking what percentage is the markup. Markup is also calculated on CP. Always remember. सर 200 रुपया का मार्कअप है सर. 200 रुपीज मार्कअप 600 to 800 out of it will be calculated on CP is sir 600 rupees and for this you 100. So you can get the 1/3 aa raha hai, right? 1/3 we all know 33.33%. Huh? 1/2. Very. It's a mistake. Okay, it is 1/3 होगा. It's a printing mistake. ठीक है. दिस सी, अच्छा एक सेकंड, हाँ ठीक है, 33 होल 1/3 होना चाहिए. 1/2 हो गया उधर. But again, this is very much understandable, not a major mistake. Correct? Yes, Arghamita, perfect. चलो चलेगा. रीना perfect. शशि चलेगा. चलो चलो. So now a question on a topic or a subtopic जिसको लेके सबको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. Please do this, sir. I'm giving you a minute. I am giving you guys a minute. जल्दी से बनाओ सर. Everybody. Very quick. Very quickly solve this. Everyone need answers. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर सीजीएल 24 का क्वेश्चन है सर। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम सीजीएल 2024 जितना मेरे को याद है। नो आंसर्स येट, नो आंसर्स येट, आई नीड एन आंसर। एक आंसर तो चाहिए एटलीस्ट। रीना, शशि, एनी आंसर्स? Sir, I told you in dishonest dealing questions, the best approach, don't look at anywhere. Look at CP ratio SP. CP and SP के ratio की तरफ देखो. Now, it will always be compound ratio if multiple situations of profit is given. Sir, first situation of profit क्या है sir? Sir, ये 12 kg per 12 rupees per kg. He is like kind of CP of the potatoes, and he is selling 3 kgs. So meaning his CP is 36 rupees and SP is how much sir? 46 rupees. ठीक है? We know this, done. Now another, this is the one source of profit. Another source of profit is there. क्या है? वो तो cheating कर रहा है सर। 3 kg meaning 3000 grams, 3000 grams का पैसा हमसे ले रहे हैं। That person, this shopkeeper is taking the money for 3000 grams from us. But again, as the weight is faulty, 100 grams ka fault, meaning he will give us 100 grams less in every 3000 grams. So meaning he is only giving us 2900 grams. So this is one ratio. This is one ratio, sir. So net profit will be the compound ratio between these two. कर लो calculation. 0 0 0 0. 6 5s are this, 6 6 are this. और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते, I don't think. अच्छा ये तो जाएगा सर। 2 23s are this, 2 3s are this. I don't think we can do anything. चलो. So this is 29 into 3, 87 sir. And this is 23 into 5, 115 I guess, right? 100, yes sir. Sir, that is CP and SP. Profit निकाल पाओगे सर? 13 here, 15 here, meaning 28 rupees का profit. 28 rupees का profit out of, अच्छा, out of 87 rupees. Okay, percentage, अच्छा, rupees में पूछा है सर. Again, we need to do a couple of lines of calculations. हमको थोड़ा lines का calculations करना. Sir, 87 rupees में 28 rupees profit. So profit is 28 rupees out of every 87 rupees. But actual CP के ऊपर होगा sir. How much is the CP actual? CP actual was 36 rupees. So ये calculate करना पड़ेगा. इतना गंदा आया. 329, 312. You see 28 by 29, it's very close to 1, but slightly less than 1. So if slightly less than 1 into 12 will be slightly less than 12. कौन सा ऑप्शन है? अच्छा 11.6 भी है, 11.2 भी है. It will be 11.6. It will be 11.6. Didn't get you. Sashi is saying something. 2800 by 87. हाँ वही तो आया. Not 2800 by 87. Please, Arghamita, you made a mistake. They are asking how much profit in rupees. So उसका CP वो तो 3 kg बेचा है. This shopkeeper has only sold 3 kgs of potatoes, of like for which the CP is 36. So calculate on that, not on 100. ठीक है? Sashi, you have done something wrong, brother. Your explanation is not right. गलत तरीके से सोच रही हो. But 11.2 आ रहा है क्या? 11.2 आ रहा है. Again, तब तो कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा. चलो लेट्स सी एक बार. लेट मी बी श्योर. लेट मी बी श्योर ऑन दिस. उतना नहीं करते हैं. 2800 and 28 into 2 sir 56, right? So 280, अच्छा 280 and 56, 280 and 56, 6 13 like 3 336, right? 336 by 29. So 29 ones are 29, 46, meaning sir 146, meaning sir uh, 30, 46, 17 by 29. Reena, I'm getting zero point 0.6 as answer. Reena, you please check. मेरा आंसर सही था. 11.6 ही आंसर आ रहा है, not 11.2. CP of 100 grams will be 1.2 rupees. ये 1.2 rupees how you are getting? Sashi, I'm not getting you. ये तो conceptually किया, देखो भाई, simple logic में हमने किया. Sashi is saying by 3 kg he should have 300 grams less. हाँ perfect चलेगा. Gets 3.6 from there. 3.6 from there. Why 3.6? 3.6, you are talking about that. नहीं, देखो एक चीज, 36 rupees. So a 3 kg में he will get what? 300 grams less. So he will have 2.7 kgs. 2700 grams. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. You will see answer same ही आएगा. Answer cannot be different ना. Answer cannot be different ना. Answer cannot be different. You are getting my point, Sashi? No, you are going in the absolute wrong direction, brother. You see the point you are making ना. So 20, you see, अगर ऐसे करोगे कि सर every 3 kgs में, अच्छा sorry, the mistake, देखो मैं 27 क्यों बोल रहा हूँ. You see 3 kg weight में 100 ग्राम का like problem आएगा, fault. This is not per kg fault. You are getting my point. 3000 ka, it's not like 100 grams fault per kg. It's 3 kg में the total fault is 100. So here you have made 2700, I guess. That's the reason. That is the problem you are facing. ये देखो क्या है ना, ऐसे सोचो, the story. This is a story based question, right? Arithmetic है. So you have seen the weights, वो जो like in the like weight machine they put ना in bazaar वगैरह में. I'm assuming you must have seen this. So what there's a 3 kg weight. Now that by any chance वो गिर गया, कुछ भी हो गया. So now somehow 100 grams have been eroded away. So 100 grams less in that 3 kg weight. So it is actually 2900 grams. That's the thing. No, Brina, you don't get confused. You just go with this. Sashi ka problem kya tha? Sashi was thinking this 100 grams जो like error है ना, that is per kg basis. Meaning if like they have gone for 3000 grams, 3 kgs, they will get 2700, meaning 100 grams error per kg. So it's not like that. It's it is 100 grams error in the whole 3 kg weight. That's the point I'm making. That is what is given in the question. Clear? Clear, everybody? Chalo. So I am kind of ending the session here only. So there are few questions over here which will be very interesting, important. Please, I'll upload this. So I'll ask everyone to at least go for the questions. Please solve those questions. And again, for our newer viewers, I have told this earlier as well, just a quick repetition of that. So for our super elite customers, you will have the reattempt mode. You can attempt any mock twice. You see, I have been through, like I have been in your shoes. So after every mock, you there, like whoever is trying very hard, he or she will say कि sir, काश मैं ये थोड़ा सही कर पाता, right? Like there, this question I have made a very silly mistake. So if I can take that this particular test more than once, I can try this one once more. So for them, you can reattempt our tests more than once now. You can reattempt every test twice so that you can improve. And once you have, say you have taken a mock, it's not up to the mark. Then you have kind of prepared a little bit more. 10 days after, 15 days after. You see, generally, if you are taking, especially just before the exam, when you are taking mocks like every day, twice every day, so after 7 days, you will not remember whatever you have done in a mock for 10 days back. So you can take the same test once more and see. And if you are taking the same test twice, the like kind of nobody needs to motivate you. Your marks will be your motivator. Ki acha sir, I have managed to score 7 marks more in 7 days. So meaning I am on the right track if I put a little bit more effort और भी 10 marks बढ़ सकते हैं. So that's a good thing to judge yourself. Another thing, this is all these class notes. This like where you will get this. I told you you must like solve the remaining questions. All these questions you or these PDFs you can download from our app. Just go to the courses section and you will get a section called YouTube class PDFs. And every class PDF you can filter out through date and time as shown here. So please use this to download all the notes. These classes and also the previous, all the classes, those are uploaded. You can definitely check that out. Okay. So again, thank you so much. Reena, thank you. Argamita, thank you. Sashi, thank you. And everybody, thank you so much. Again, I have got a comment on trigonometry. I'll be working on that. Let's see if I can take a marathon. So, like last video, yesterday's mock analysis, I've got a comment. Let's see. So again, if you have any class requests, anything, please feel free. Any feedbacks, feel free to use the comment section. I'll be replying. Okay. So again, thank you so much. I will then see you guys tomorrow again with time, speed, distance. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.